Hello, everybody. It's your Prime Minister or interim Prime Minister, Brianna McGuire here. All right, we're here to get started on the weather news report. So let's get started, shall we? Whoops, did not mean to move that. There we go. Back to normal. Phew. Close. All right, and we're gonna start with Lavender County, Owen, Kentucky. We're gonna start with Monday. Okay, as we can see here, you're just gonna start from high 60s all the way up throughout till we get to the middle of the week where it gets to like maybe close to mid 70s, and then it gradually gets down and cools down to like maybe low 40 degrees throughout that week. So it's definitely probably going to chill out a little bit, but for the most part, it's going to be kind of nice, warm, kind of sunny, and then it's going to get a little cold, kind of rainy later in the week. All right, we're going to go to the right in corner on the bottom right, and we're going to be looking at Lavender County, Richmond, Virginia. All right, kind of the same deal, but not really. You can see it's totally different in Richmond, Virginia with Lavender County. Monday is going to be at the highest point at 80 degrees, and then it stays at 63 degrees on Tuesday and Wednesday, but on Thursday it goes back up to 70 degrees. But then after that, it just kind of gradually goes down low to like literally at 50 degrees. So that one's going to be actually pretty warm compared to Lavender County and Owen, Kentucky, basically. So there's like a huge difference with the warmth there. Alright, and now we're going to be on the upper left corner. We're looking at Iroquois County and Louisville, Kentucky as a whole. Alright, so as you can see here, Monday starts off at 70 degrees, and it kind of bounces down a little bit, and then Wednesday and Thursday, it's going to be like maybe close to mid 70 degrees, but then after that, it gradually goes down to like maybe mid 40 degrees, and kind of like get a little rainy here and there, and just be like kind of cold. Not really quite wintry yet, apparently. Well, it's still fall. It's not technically winter yet. Okay, now we're going to be looking at the bottom right corner, Floyd County, Allen. Alright, whoa, okay. So basically the first 4 days of the week, it's going to be literally in the mid 70 degrees. And then after that, it gradually goes down to like maybe high 40 degrees. And then it's just kind of like it's cold at night. But that leaves some percentages of rain from the looks of it. So Floyd County, you may or may not get a little wet. Maybe. Mother Nature's a little fickle that way. Alright, we're looking at Belleau County as a whole. Okay, Monday starting at high 70 degrees, and then it goes down, and it goes back up to like maybe close to mid 70 degrees on Wednesday and Thursday, and it gradually goes down to mid 40 degrees, basically. So, I guess in a way, Belleau County is just going to be about the same as the rest of Lavender County, so to speak. And now we're going at the bottom right corner where it says Linden County. Basically, the location is Linden in Kentucky. So we're going to be looking at Monday in Linden County. As you can see here, it's going to be like low 70s, and then gradually gets up to like maybe in the mid 70s, and then it's going towards the middle there. And then it gradually goes back down and it cools down to like mid 40s, and then in the evenings it'll probably be like really, really chilly. And according to that, I guess Friday is gonna be pretty rainy for some of our locations there. All right, and then Manteca County, Grayson CDP. Alright, as you can see here, Manteca County is definitely different compared to Lavender County weather-wise. Point blank. Alright, starting from Monday, we're at high 70 degrees, gearing out maybe close to like 80 to 81 degrees. From the looks of it, it can't get that high. It depends on how the sun is doing that day. But according to this and the percentage, it's going to be rainy, so I'm guessing it's not going to get at least above 80 degrees. It's probably going to stay at 79 starting on Monday. And then it gradually just stays right there at the top 70 degrees. And then for the rest of the week, after 3 days, maybe 4, it'll start to go down a little bit to like mid 50 degrees. And when it gets at nighttime, it generally cools down, but not get like cold, like it would be when it's in like 20 degrees or so ish, but not cold. Alright, we're going to go to the right-hand corner where we're going to be looking at Harper County. The location is Johnson. Alright, we're going to be looking at here is, it's a little bit different. Alright, so starting from Monday to Tuesday, it's going to be like maybe close to mid-60s, and it's going to get up to low 70 degrees for 2 days, and then gradually cools back down to like low 40 degrees. And as you can see, later on in the week, it'll get cooler overnight. And obviously, Friday is looking like a typical rainy day for some locations, which is kind of ironic that Mother Nature wants to pick Friday to be a rainy day for some of us. Unlike Montego County, though. Yeah. Montego County, you look like you're going to be having a slightly rainy day from Monday, Tuesday, and probably Thursday as well. The rest of your days of those weeks seems like it's just going to be bright sunny. From the looks of it, it's a maybe. I'm not in Montego County, so we'll see. Alright, we're now in Tupelo County. Location, State Louisiana. Alright. So, for the first 2 days, it's going to be at least above mid to high 60s. And then it's going to reach up to like maybe low 70s, going up to high 70s. Well, actually, mid 70s, not high. For like a day, and then it gradually cools down to like maybe mid 40 degrees throughout the rest of the week after that. So, yep, I guess you could say y'all are going to have a warm week, depending on how the sun is. But other than that, it's just going to feel like a normal day. Alright, and now we're on the bottom right corner where we're in County 9, Lusomin. I'm pretty sure I said that wrong. I have a way of botching up words just for the heck of it. So, bear with me. Alright, so, ooh, you guys are weathered differently, I swear. Alright, Monday, you're going to be in the low 20s, gradually going up to like low 30s, and you're just gradually going back down from there. Especially during the nighttime where it looks like you're going to be really cold. Not to mention, you guys are going to have a rainy week, and from what I've seen on the weather news, some of you guys are having a sea weather warning, so I would definitely be cautious with that depending on where you're located. Alright, and now County 9, Tillamook. Alright, Monday. You guys are definitely a lot warmer than compared to Lusomin, that's for sure. You're going to be at like mid-40s, and you're gradually going to bounce right back up to the low 50s and just kind of like basically stay there for the rest of the week. And then the evenings are going to be stuck at like low to mid-30s. And obviously you're going to have a few rainy days here and there. Definitely Monday there's going to be some rain. And definitely Sunday there's going to be rain. I'm not sure about the rest of those days. Thursday and Friday, maybe some showers here and there. But I wouldn't bet on it. So it's a big maybe on the rain chances right there, because Mother Nature is fickle. In any case, that is the weather news, guys, and I hope you enjoy that. Well, in all of that case of the serious notes, I hope to see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching, and I hope you guys see you guys in the next one.